Wow, we can see a parabola. Alright, parabola. Okay, so Parabola. Alright. So now, yeah, upside down, actually concave right here. So concave right here is down, not up there. Up there is convex, but we use concave only, right? Okay. So now, oh, what about x-axis? This one is a 3. Okay. So this one is -1. Okay, -1, comma 0. Okay, actually. So what about this one? That's y-intercept, right? So y-intercept is a 3. So actually 0, comma 3. What about this vertex? Okay, so this vertex up 1, then 4. Whoa. Alright. So we have another point right here. Oh man, so that's enough. Alright. So now let's find out the equation first. Functional equation. That's right. The equation actually looks like this, right? So you know this. Okay. So y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay. That's the original equation. Okay. So in this case, a cannot be 0. So you know that already, right? Okay. So now, what about this? Then, you know what? We can make 3 equations because we have enough points right there. So look at this one. Okay. So now let's plug the first one right there. Okay. So left hand side. Okay. This is x-intercept. Okay, so -1, then 0. That means y is going to be 0. So I can write this way. A, then -1 squared, okay, plus b, then -1, then plus c equals 0. Okay, so next one, so right hand side, right here. Okay, so 3, 0, right? Okay, that means a, okay, 3 squared, okay, plus b, then 3, okay, actually 3b, okay, plus c equals 0. Okay, the next one, we can use any point, but a, easy for this one. Okay, so, okay, 3 is y-intercept, so actually that coordinate is 0, 3, right? Okay, that means 0. We plug 0 here. Okay, so a, then 0 squared plus b, then 0 plus c versus equals that y. Y is 3 right there. Alright. So now, actually 0 squared is 0. Okay, so we can erase this one. So erase this one. Okay, then c is 3. Oh, that's right. Then instead of c, we can substitute. Okay, so c with 3. So we can put 3 right there. Okay, so 3 and 3. Okay, so now we can make 2 new equations from here. Okay, let's say -1 times -1 is 1. So actually a. Okay, so plus, actually this one is a minus, so minus, and -1 times b is negative b equals, actually, you can move this 3 to your right hand side. It's going to be -3. Alright. Okay, what about the next one? That's 9a. Alright, 9a. Okay, so plus 3b equals, now you can move again. Okay, so 3 to your right hand side is going to be -3. Now the bottom one, hey, we can change this bottom one, right? Okay, how? Okay, what about divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3? So we can reduce this one by 3. So this is going to be 3. Okay, So what about this one? This is going to be 1. That means this is going to be gone. So just the B. Okay, what about this one? This is going to be negative 1. Alright, now, hey, bottom and top. Okay, so we have negative B and plus B. So we can add these two equations right here, right? Okay, alright, let's add. A plus 3A is a 4A. Okay, what about this one? Yes, negative B, okay, positive B is going to be gone. Alright, so now, what about negative 3 and negative 1? That's negative 4. Okay, so A equals negative 1. That's it. Now, you just plug A instead of, no, right here. How about this? Okay, so A is negative 1. Okay, then I can move this B to your right hand side. It's going to be positive B. Okay, so B equals negative 3. So I'm going to move negative 3 to your left hand side. It's going to be 3. Then looks like this. Okay, so right hand side is going to be D. Okay, just like that. The left hand side, negative 1 was there. Now I move negative 3 to my left hand side. It's going to be positive 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Oh, so B equals 2. Fantastic. Alright. So now you have A, B, and C. Okay, you remember C was 3 right there. Okay, so now, hey, all we have to do just plug me in. Alright, so this equation is y equals A is negative 1, so negative, actually A negative x squared. Okay, so now B is 2, so plus 2x. Now what about C? C is 3, so plus 3. That's it. Wow, man, looks good. Quickly, one more way is, that's right, I'm going to use vertex. Okay, so vertex techniques, so we're going to use a perfect square, right? Okay, just like this. So y equals, then yep, A is outside, then it's going to be x value right there, squared. You remember this perfect square? So x, then actually this vertex is a 1, 4. So instead of, okay, right here, okay, so we're going to use, instead of 1, we're going to say negative 1, right? Okay, so now what about the right hand side of this one? That's y, right? So y value, okay, right there, so plus 4. Ooh, man, that's it. Okay, so then this vertex, you can tell this vertex is 1 and 4. Now I just used just the vertex, so I have so many points, in other words, coordinates left over. So I can use anything. Okay, so what about this one? See, I'm going to use this one. Okay, so that means, oh, that's right, so 0, 3. X is 0, y is 3. Then, hey, plug me in. So this one is a 3. Okay, so what about x? X is going to be 0. Oh, that means 0 minus 1 is negative 1 square. That means negative 1 times negative 1 is 1. So just A. Oh, wow, man, perfect. Okay, plus 4. This way, you know right away A is negative 1. Alright, so A equals negative 1. Okay, so you just plug negative 1 right there. That's it. Okay, let's do it. Y equals negative, then x minus 1 squared plus 4. Now all we have to do what? That's right, simplify this one. Okay, so negative, then x minus 1 times x minus 1 is the x squared, negative 2x plus 1, then 4. Alright, see, So now negative x squared, then negative times negative is a positive 2x. Now what about this one right here? Okay, so negative 1, then plus 4 makes plus 3. Fantastic. Wow, man, exactly the same. Quickly, one more. Okay, this time I'm gonna use that's right, I'm gonna use x-intercepts way. Alright, just like this. Okay, so y equals, okay, so by this we don't know what a is, just leave a just like that. Then two x-intercepts right there. That means x and x just like this. Okay, then we just put this x-intercepts right there. So negative 1 means what? That's right, plus 1. Okay, what about positive 3? That means minus 3. Alright, right there. Okay, then all we have to do, we just plug one more number, one more point right there. Maybe I can use this one. I can use the vertex. Doesn't matter. Okay, let me use this one, 0, 3. That means this is going to be 0. See? This is going to be 0. Okay, then this is going to be 3. Okay, let's calculate. Alright, what about 0 plus 1? That's 1. Okay, forget about it. Now, what about 0 minus 3? That's negative 3. Oh, that means negative 3. So look at that. Negative 3a. Okay, negative 3a equals 3. So left hand side. So that means, so a equals 3 divided by negative 3, which is negative 1. Oh, so all we have to do is just plug negative sign right there. Then, okay, so we almost there now. Y equals, okay, negative 1, that means negative. So now you just multiply these two binomial expression right there. So x plus 1, then x minus 3. So, okay, negative, then you just multiply this one. So x squared, okay, then negative 2x, okay, negative 3. All we have to do is just plug this one negative in. So negative x squared, then positive 2x, then positive 3. Are they the same? Oh, that's right. Look at this. Okay, on the top. Negative x squared plus 2x plus 3. Exactly identical. Alright, fantastic.